How to share a song on Deezer to Instagram story directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share a Deezer song to Instagram story directly in this fast and easy method. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer app and then let's just choose any artist here. Okay, I'm gonna choose Skylar Grey. Now let's choose a song. Okay, I'm gonna choose Falling Apart. And now if you want to share it to your Instagram story directly, you have only to click on this icon here and then choose Instagram story. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.